Welcome to AGUA Top1 new release SAG series, the latest whole house UV water system demo. Water is purified by running it through a stainless steel UV chamber that contains an ultraviolet lamp. The germicidal energy of UV light destroys illness-causing microorganisms by attacking their DNA. This powerful dose of UV light eliminates their ability to reproduce, and the organisms simply die. SAG series offers flow rates of 12, 22, and 48 GPM, covering a wide range of domestic and commercial applications. This series could be installed in your whole house water system as the last step to ensure your safe water. SAG series is made of premium 316L stainless steel treated by electropolish, achieving better UV intensity and being more durable at the same time. The UV sensor measures not only real-time UV intensity, but the water temperature. The data will be shown on the LCD display screen, which including lamp life and lamp operation status as well. 365-day counter will remind you when the lamp needs to be changed, and you could press the reset button once you've finished. As the concentrated UV rays is dangerous, the special patented lamp cap with auto shut-off function could protect you from being burned by the light. Additionally, lamp replacement could be done in a user-friendly way without using any tools. Along with a lamp working life of 9,000 hours, 10-year warranty for UV chamber, and 3-year for all electrical parts, SAG series continue to safeguarding the water of your family. Thanks for watching AGUA Top1 latest release SAG demo.